Hey, so you asked about this assignment. After reviewing the resources assigned for this week, reflect on three important considerations that you've learned regarding the APA style in the field of psychology, or in any field for that matter. Also provide three examples of what you, as a grad student, would be doing to avoid plagiarism. Length, 450, 550 words. Your response should demonstrate that you really thought about it, thoughtful consideration, new ideas, insights. Use APA style and guidelines to write this. So the main thing is there's two parts here. Reflect on three important considerations that you've learned about APA. Like, oh, well, I put a comma not before et al., but always after et al. If it's et al. Period. If it's within an in-text citation, but not if it's outside in the body text. I don't always put a comma after et al. Period because it's not necessary unless a comma is naturally needed in the sentence. For instance, according to various sources such as Goodin et al. Period, comma, fries are better when they're curly. I don't know. I just made that up. I'm thinking of Arby's now, apparently. And then you're asked to sort of think about plagiarism. None of us want to do it. We all have to avoid it all the time. So how do we do it? How do we give credit to the right people? And actually, that's what you're doing throughout grad school, is giving credit, paraphrasing information from scholarly sources, and citing it appropriately. Part of APA is avoiding plagiarism. And so there are things you can do to make sure that you never copy from an article and paste it directly in. Or if you do, you keep quotes around it until you paraphrase it. And you want to make sure you paraphrase thoroughly, things like that. So that's basically what this discussion's about. I hope I've explained it well for you. Thank you.